Jamaican beauty queen and media personality Yendi Phillipps have tied the knot. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the exclusive details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Yendi Phillipps, the 2010 Miss Universe runner-up, has tied a knot with businessman Omar McFarlane. The media personality and content creator reportedly got married in Florida earlier this month. The couple is said to be honeymooning in St. Lucia. Phillipps has a child, a 10-year-old daughter, with artist Danielle Chino McGregor. The former Miss Universe runner-up has been very private about her love life, as fans and followers finally get a chance to meet the mystery man she had been seeing for over 4 to 5 years. Many social media fans and followers of the former Miss Jamaica Universe and former Miss Universe first runner-up were very surprised after news surfaced of the beauty queen turned media personality wedding to businessman Omar McFarlane. Not much is known about McFarlane or his line of business, but the news of the wedding saw many social media users extending congratulations to the beloved beauty queen, while others expressed shock that Yendi was actually dating someone. Yendi Phillipps was crowned Miss Jamaica Universe in 2010 and represented Jamaica at the Miss Universe 2010 pageant in Las Vegas. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.